Howdy ho, campers. It's feeding time. Ignore the screaming baby. It's not mine. Somebody in an RV over in the woods, quiet campground, Katruma Lake Campground. You may hear diesel motors cranking up as people pull out. It was quiet until like now. Anyway, we have food today. A new brand. This is Readywise Adventure Meals from Salt Lake City, Utah. Salt Lake City knows hiking and camping, and there's some good food in Utah. This is the Trailhead Noodles and Beef in a Mountain High mushroom sauce. Delicious and hearty mix of noodles and beef in a stroganoff style mushroom sauce. So this is it's 2.5 servings per container. It's 690 calories for the whole thing. Can't believe I ate the whole thing. Sodium is high, 61%, which if you're hiking is good. If you're sitting around a campfire being lazy, not so good. But better than ramens, most ramens, slightly. 32% of your daily carbs, 34 grams of protein. So there's a lot of stuff in here. And the best by date is 2037, so this holds a long time. A long time. I think we picked this up in Utah, come to think of it, at a sporting goods store. Anyway, and it includes jokes like, did you know I can cut down a dead tree just by looking at it? It's true, I saw it with my own eyes. Usually, I like my mountain house. Biscuits and gravy is my favorite. Oh, this is good till 2052, so they last even longer. 560 calories, about the same fat. Ooh, even more sodium in here, 76%. Pretty close in carbs, 22 grams of protein. I have to watch proteins because I have gout. So that's something I always have to watch for. Proteins, shellfish, beer, bacon. Anyway, always take out the oxygen thing because do not eat, it says so. You're supposed to, let's see, pour in 2 cups of boiling water, stir, close, let stand for 12 to 15 minutes. I let it stand at least 20. I think it's been 25 minutes. I'd actually made a homemade koozie, and birds liked the shiny and tore the heck out of the homemade koozie. I used a one of those like dollar store window shades for your car window. So this is mixed up pretty well, it looks like. Can you see? Can you see? 3D. Anyway, the longer you can let it sit, the better it reabsorbs the moisture. And I always end up with little pieces of biscuit down in the bottom corners of my mountain house. Okay, it looks pretty good. Rehydrated nicely, I think. That's pretty good. Nicely spiced. Probably should let the water boil just a little more. I'm impatient. It's got a really nice gravy to it. It's going to be immensely filling. Yeah, it's not bad. In fact, it's pretty good. I've had worse at restaurants. Well, it's a thumbs up. See? See? Readywise. I believe they do a lot of the big buckets of food too. It's good. Ultra filling. This is probably 2 meals for me. Well, it's 2.5 servings. I'm almost full already. And all I've had so far today is a V8. Could have had a V8. Wait, I did. Got the hammock behind me. It was down in the 30s. Nice and warm and cozy. I got to redo the stand a little bit to do some adjusting, but it's good. So anyway, that's what we've got. Uh, Decent camp food with a decent shelf life, and I'm gonna finish that and fix my hammock and maybe take the bike, go for a little ride, do some reading. Got my Kindle Fire. Um, nice relaxing day. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.